So guys, so right now I'm going to teach you how to actually create a Gmail without any phone number, okay? There's a lot of people ask me that, so I'm going to teach you how to do this. It's actually very easy. So we're going to go on here, and then we're going to go on Google, okay? Now at the top right here, we're going to go create a new account, brand new account, no email, no phone number, nothing like that. So we're going to use another account. Right here, we're going to create a new account for myself. And then whatever, okay, we're going to create a random account, okay? So if you want to create a brand new account, you need to have a phone number. Let's just say if I put my own birthday and then mail, you're going to create a new one. And then let's just say we're going to copy this passwords, same more time. Right here, you cannot create any account if you do not have a phone number. So you're stuck here, okay? Even though you go on the website and look for something like temporary number with SMS and things like that, it doesn't work because those numbers already used so many times, they do not verify it. Know that those are computer generate numbers. It will not let you work. It will not let you verify. So it will be stuck. You cannot do anything to create a brand new account. So let's just say we go back here, and then I know there's a trick. You have to be 13 to 15 years old. Okay, I'm talking about minors. Okay, so we have to create the date to 2009, whatever. Okay, so that way the Gmail or Google thinks that you don't have a phone during those times, so they will actually surpass that. Okay, they will allow you bypass without any phone number and things like that. However, if you do it on a desktop, it doesn't work. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, and when I press next, there's no skip button. So how do we do it? We have to use a phone to do everything. Now I'm going to teach you how to use a phone to do everything. We are going to create an account. Let's say using YouTube or things like that. Anything that related to Google, we're going to go on the YouTube, okay? Or even your Gmails or Google Photos. You can create any Gmails or any Google account with any Google app. So let's just say we're going to go here. We're going to create another one, okay? And then at the top right here, you can see there's a plus button. When you press a plus button, now you can actually create an account. So we're going to press my fingerprint and let it run. So we're going to add another one, create account for myself. Okay, we're going to put just my first name, Calvin. Okay, and press next. Now right here we are going to become 15 years old, so 2009 or 10. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Google or Android, it will work. Press next right here. We're going to let them choose for me whatever, right? I'm going to just randomly type anything, password, whatever. We're going to create a number. You can actually put your phone number as in your password as well too for your reference. Next, you see right here, they don't even require you to have anything. No phone number, nothing. You press skip. Once you press skip, your email is already registered without any phone number. Okay, but because you're 13 to 15, you have to understand there's a lot of content out there that you cannot watch because you're at that age. You can only using this just to create an email, to back up your photos as in the 15 gig Google storage, whatever. Okay, we're gonna go keep creating, press agree, Google service, and done. All right, everything is right here. Now we create a Gmail without any phone number. All right, I hope this helped you out. Please subscribe my channel, and I will have another video very soon. This is how to create a Gmail without any phone number. All right, have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.